Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact Canva canvas you need. Choose post image, header, or full page layout so sizing matches your platform. Once done, import your logo, fonts, and color hex codes so design stays consistent. Make sure to organize assets into a folder in Canva and set the page size to 1200 x 628 or the size your blog theme requires. This gets you into creation immediately instead of fiddling with basic setup later. You now construct the actual visual. Place a high-quality image in a frame, add an overlay to boost text contrast, and establish a clear text hierarchy with headings, subheadings, and CTA. While doing this, use Canva grids to ensure consistent margins and alignment, then preview at mobile size to confirm readability. Make sure to lock background layers, group related items, and duplicate the page to create variations for a /B testing later. You finish by exporting optimized files. Choose PNG or JPEG at 72/150 dpi for web and add alt text in your CMS. Once exported, compress images to under 200 KB so page speed stays fast, and upload them to your blog with the correct file names and captions. If elements shift after upload, check theme CSS and container margins. Often a theme max width or added padding causes changes, so adjust the Canva canvas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.